I'm going to show you now how we're going to use omniverse and AI here in Taiwan. And we're going to use it for manufacturing. Manufacturing, as you know, is one of the largest industries in the world. We're going to use omniverse to teach an AI. And then we're going to use Metropolis, our AI deployment, edge deployment system, to deploy the AI. Okay, run it.
The $45 trillion global manufacturing industry is comprised of 10 million factories operating 24/7. Enterprises are racing to become software-defined to ensure they can produce high-quality products as quickly and cost-efficiently as possible. Let's see how electronics manufacturer Pegatron uses NVIDIA AI and Omniverse to digitalize their factories. In Omniverse, they start by building a digital twin of their factory, unifying disparate 3D and CAD datasets to provide a real-time view of their complex factory data to their planners and suppliers. In the cloud-native digital twin, planners can then optimize layout virtually before deploying changes to the real factory. The digital twin is also used as a training ground and data factory for Pegatron's perception AIs. They use NVIDIA Isaac Sim, built on Omniverse, to simulate and optimize their fleet of mobile robots, which help move materials throughout the facility, as well as the pick-and-place robotic arms that assist on production lines. In the fully operational factory, Pegatron deploys automated optical inspection, or AOI points, along their production lines, which reduces cost and increases line throughput. NVIDIA Metropolis enables Pegatron to quickly develop and deploy cloud-native, highly accurate AOI workflows across their production lines. Omniverse Replicator generates synthetic datasets of PCBA defects, which are too complex and costly to capture in the real world, like scratches and missing or misaligned components. Pegatron then combines the synthetic data with NVIDIA pre-trained models, NVIDIA Tau for training, adaptation, and optimization, and NVIDIA DeepStream for real-time inference, resulting in AOI performance that is 99.8% accurate with a 4 times improvement in throughput. With software-defined factories built on NVIDIA AI and Omniverse, manufacturers can super accelerate factory bring-up and minimize change orders, continuously optimize operations, maximize production line throughput, all while reducing costs.
Did you see that? The whole factory is an omniverse. It's completely digital. Imagine if you have digital information in your hands, what can you do with it? Almost everything. What you just saw is basically every factory in the future will be digital, of course, first. Every factory will be a robot. Inside the factories, there will be other robots that the factory is orchestrating. We are also going to build robots that move themselves. So far, the robots that you saw are stationary. Now we're going to also have robots that move. Everything that moves in the future will have artificial intelligence and will have robotic capability. We built the entire robotic stack top to bottom, from the chip to the algorithms. We have state-of-the-art perception for multimodality sensors, state-of-the-art mapping, state-of-the-art localization and planning, and a cloud mapping system. Everything has been created. However you would like to use it, you can use pieces of it. It's open available for you, including all the cloud mapping systems. So this is Isaac AMR. It includes a chip called Orin. It goes into a computer, and it goes into the NVIDIA Nova Orin, which is a reference system, a blueprint for AMRs. This is the most advanced AMR in the world today. And that entire stack has been built, and let's take a look at it.
To improve productivity and increase worker safety, factories and warehouses are migrating away from manual forklifts and guided vehicles to full autonomy. NVIDIA Isaac AMR provides an integrated end-to-end solution to deploy fully autonomous mobile robots. The core of the solution is Nova Orin, a sensor suite and computing hardware that enables mapping, autonomy, and simulation. Nova's collection of advanced sensors speeds the mapping process, leveraging our cloud-based service to generate an accurate and detailed 3D voxel map. This 3D map can then be sliced across a plane to generate 2D maps tailored for different autonomous robots that might operate in a facility. With these maps in place, on-robot LiDAR, or cost-effective cameras provide autonomous navigation that works reliably in the most complex and dynamic environments. Isaac Mission Control optimizes route planning using the cuOpt library. To improve operations, developers can use Isaac Sim and NVIDIA Omniverse to create realistic digital twins of the operating environment. This allows fully autonomous robots to be trained on complex tasks entirely in simulation. All operations can be fully validated using Isaac Sim before deployment to the real world. Isaac AMR accelerates your migration to full autonomy, reducing costs and speeding deployment of the next generation of AMRs.
Nova cannot tell that it is not in the reality environment. Nova thinks it is in the real environment. It cannot tell. And the reason for that is because all the sensors work, physics work, it can navigate, it can localize itself, everything is physically based. Therefore, we can design the robot, simulate the robot, train the robot, all in Isaac, and then we take the brain, Isaac Sim, then we take the brain, the software, and we put it into the actual robot. And with some amount of adaptation, it should be able to perform the same job. This is the future of robotics. Omniverse and AI working together. The excitement in the hard industries, the heavy industries, has been incredible. We have been connecting Omniverse all over the world with tools companies, robotics companies, sensor companies, all kinds of industries. There are 3 industries right now as we speak that's putting enormous investments into the world. Number 1, of course, is chip industry. Number 2, electric battery industry. Number 3, electric vehicle industry. Trillions of dollars will be invested in the next several years. Trillions of dollars will be invested in the next several years. And they would all like to do it better, and they would like to do it in a modern way. For the very first time, we now give them a system, a platform, tools that allows them to do that. I want to thank all of you for your partnership over the years. Thank you.
I hope that you do like me best. Now my song's in a long thank you.